Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this section, we're diving deep into the art of creating and showing impact through storytelling. We're here to help you craft compelling narratives by providing an insightful overview of storytelling techniques and guiding you through the process of creating your own impactful stories. But you might be asking yourself, why are stories so important? Well, stories have a unique power. They influence people's emotions, behaviors, and actions in ways that mere facts and figures just can't. Stay tuned as we explore the magic of storytelling and discover how you can harness this powerful tool to make a real difference. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. Before we dive into storytelling techniques, let's take a moment to understand who we are and what makes our brand truly unique. 100K is easily identifiable by its distinctive logo, proudly featuring the logos of the Department of State and Partners of the Americas. This highlights their support for our mission and their integral role in our brand's identity. Let's talk about colors. Our brand uses a primary and secondary color palette, each adding depth to our visuals. These palettes help create a cohesive and dynamic look that resonates with our audience. Dynamic graphic elements are another key aspect of our brand. They bring vibrancy and movement, making our content visually engaging and lively. Our photography guide is focused on capturing the essence of experiences, showcasing teams sharing moments in universities and cultural experiences. These visuals make our communication compelling and engaging. It's essential to be mindful of the material we produce. High-quality, thoughtful content ensures that our story is told in the most impactful way possible. Thank you for joining us in this introduction to 100K. Now that we've covered the basics of our brand identity, let's move on to developing captivating stories. Stay tuned for the next part of our tutorial series. Following and using the hashtag 100StrongAmericas first and foremost, our communication efforts are closely tied to the social media accounts of Partners of the Americas, our operating partner. It's crucial that you follow, participate, and interact with these accounts to stay updated and connected. Step 1 is simple: follow Partners of the Americas on all their social media platforms. This includes Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Engaging with their content by liking, commenting, and sharing not only keeps you informed but also helps spread the word about our initiatives. Now, let's move on to step 2. Whenever you post something related to the 100K Strong Americas project, make sure to tag Partners of the Americas and the Department of State, our main donor. You can check with your university for the exact details of the donor. Don't forget to use the hashtag 100StrongAmericas. This helps us easily identify and celebrate the amazing content you're creating. Lastly, we encourage you to share your content directly with us via email. This can include links, documents, or any creative work you've done related to the project. Your input is incredibly valuable, and we can't wait to see your creativity in action. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be making a significant impact on our communication efforts. Thank you for your dedication and creativity. Now that you know how to find us, let's dive into the exciting world of content creation and sharing. The first step in defining your story is to understand that there are different types of stories you can tell. Let's explore these together. Firstly, community stories. These stories humanize the people you serve by showing a side of their lives that the public may not know about. Think of it to give a voice to those who might not otherwise be heard. Next, we have impact stories. These are all about the changes you've created. Show how the world is a little better because of your work. Highlight the positive outcomes and the difference you're making. Behind-the-scenes stories capture the lived experience of our students. Show the faces and personalities that make their work possible, offering a glimpse into the daily lives and efforts behind the scenes. Lastly, user-generated stories are created directly by our community, our students, and our partners. These authentic stories often resonate the most because they come straight from the heart. When creating your story, think about what type of story best suits your message and audience. Each type offers a unique perspective and can help you connect in different ways. Thank you for joining us on this storytelling journey. We can't wait to see the amazing stories you will create and share. Stories can be told in many ways, and selecting the right format is crucial for effective communication. There are numerous formats available for telling your story. Let's explore some of the most popular ones. Written content remains a powerful tool for sharing detailed information. Here are some examples: O blog posts, informative articles that cover a wide range of topics. O articles, detailed reports offering solutions to project problems or trends. O case studies, in-depth analysis of specific situations with success stories and lessons learned. Visual content can be more engaging and easier to digest. Let's look at some types. O videos, engaging pieces of media suitable for platforms like YouTube or Instagram. O Reels, brief updates to interact with the public on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. O Photos, tell a story, evoke emotions, and capture memories that words alone cannot express. O Infographics, visual representations of data or information designed to make complex concepts easier to understand. When choosing a format, consider the purpose of your content and the platform you are using. O Purpose, what is the goal of your content? To inform, entertain, or persuade? O Audience, who is your target audience? What formats do they prefer? O Platform, where will you share your content? Different platforms may favor different formats. By carefully selecting the right format, you can enhance your storytelling and better engage your audience. Whether you're just starting or already in the middle of your journey, we've got some fantastic tips and topics for you to explore. Let's dive in. Embrace cultural comparisons. One of the richest parts of your exchange experience is the opportunity to compare cultures. Traditions and customs. Discuss the traditions and customs of your host country. How do they differ from your home country? What new traditions have you learned to appreciate? Food and language. Explore the local cuisine and try new dishes. Share your experiences with learning and speaking a new language. Foster personal growth, personal development journey. Reflect on how your exchange experience has influenced your personal growth. Overcoming challenges. Share stories of overcoming challenges. What obstacles did you face, and how did you overcome them? Acquiring new skills. Highlight the new skills you've acquired. Whether it's mastering a new language or learning to cook a traditional dish, every skill adds to your experience. We hope these tips will help you make the most of your 100K exchange experience. Remember, it's not just about what you learn, but also about the memories you create and the people you meet. Share your experiences with us. Follow us on social media and use the hashtag 100KStrongAmericas to connect with our community and other exchange students. Have you ever found yourself lost in a good book or captivated by a compelling movie? That's the magic of storytelling. It's an art we've perfected over thousands of years, and it's still very much a part of our lives today. Jonathan Gottschall, an esteemed author and storytelling academic, beautifully captures the essence of stories. He says, "We practically live in stories all day long, and we dream in stories all night long." Stories are how we communicate, how we connect with each other, how we learn, how we think. Stories are incredibly powerful tools for conveying information. They help us remember important details and make complex ideas easier to understand. So, do you have a story or an idea you want to share with us? We'd love to hear it. Send us a message. Your story could inspire or inform others in ways you never imagined. You may be wondering, how do we get started? Here's a to-do list for you to check out. We've included all the steps you'll need. As you progress through your journey, creating content will become easy for you. Whether you're traveling with friends, exploring a new city, meeting people from your exchange program, or trying new foods, everything will feel new and exciting. This is your story. We are creating a space to help you show the world your experience and share it with future exchange students. We can't wait to see what stories you're going to tell. We regularly highlight impactful stories on our blog, and yours could be next. Thank you for watching and enjoy every moment of your exchange journey.